We finally won a war against snoring with this device. Our team has been working on this anti-snoring device for the past 5 years, and we can finally say that we achieved greatness. Our device is so portable you can travel with it. Now, the main cause of snoring is blocked airways. What this device does is it opens your airways and allows you to breathe normally through the night. It has a 99% success rate, and we're so certain it works that we even give a 30-day money-back guarantee. So forget your uncomfortable machines and devices and try today.